Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today is a video about how I made car sign for my friend. Tamila is famous wedding viola musician in Chicago area, and she asked me to make a car decal with her Instagram address. She also has a YouTube channel. I highly recommend to support her and subscribe to her channel. So let's start. We made the design together. We chose bold font for the phrase "Marry You" and handwriting font for the rest of the text. In Design Space program, we chose the scale we needed and printed our letters on the Cricut. For my project I use permanent vinyl. I bought Cricut vinyl, transfer tape, scraper and scissors. We needed 2 packs of vinyl for our letters. While we were making our project, it started to rain heavily, and we were afraid we wouldn't be able to complete our project. But after we finished cutting out our vinyl letters, the rain stopped. We went out and wiped the water off. Then we started transfer our letters from the bottom row of our text. We transferred the vinyl on the transfer tape and then located our letters on the right place. Here, scraper helped to attach the vinyl without any air bubbles. We needed several pairs of hands for this job. It started to rain from time to time, but this couldn't stop us. The weather conditions were far from ideal, but we were able to complete our project and were very satisfied with the result. Here you can see Tamila and her new car. If you have any questions, I will glad to answer. Thank you for watching.